So we are taking the GT-R to my parents' house where my motorcycle is. Went on a ride with them yesterday. At the end of the day it rained, so I rode with my brother home in the truck. So my bike is there because it was like 40 degrees yesterday. I didn't really feel like driving in the rain. So Nicole is gonna help me out. We're heading there, and unfortunately, you're gonna get the keys to the GT-R and you're gonna drive it back to my house. And I'm
nervous?
A little bit. I've never, aside from Mike, nobody has driven this without my supervision. And you'll be driving it.
And you're letting me.
I know. And real quick, I love the hoodie you're wearing. Where can viewers get something just like that?
In the link to all your videos.
Cool. That's exactly how I told you to say it. Good job.
You're welcome.
Good job. But yeah, guys, there is a link in all of our videos with merchandise. This is GT-R stuff, and we are actually matching. I didn't actually plan that.
Twinning.
So anyway, what do you feel about driving this all by yourself?
Oh, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah?
You should be scared.
You're not gonna go above 55, right?
Maybe 90.
And stay in comfort mode, save mode, automatic mode, right?
No.
Alright, so you have been in the Supra and the GT-R quite a lot. Probably amongst my other friends. You've been in both a lot. What do you think are big differences, or how do they compare, I guess, as cars?
They don't really compare as cars.
Okay.
Besides that they're a car.
They have four wheels.
The Supra is more a luxury, a good daily.
Yeah.
Whereas this is a race car, but it's not.
It's
rougher.
Everything in this is mechanical.
It's a race car.
Exactly, it really is. But yeah, I mean, even like on a road like this, we're feeling every little aspect. And
Every bump.
I gotta fight the car on like turns. The grip, just the mechanical feeling. I think all the BMW and the Supra just really makes it comfortable, which is why I bought it. You know, I was getting annoyed, as you know, of this as a daily because it is pretty raw. But now all those aspects that were annoying are now amazing.
Yeah. They really don't compare at all.
Yeah.
They're not the same.
Yeah, it's which is nice because I like both cars a lot, and before I actually took delivery of the Supra, I was pretty confident I was going to be selling this shortly. Yeah, because I was like, I know that Supra is going to be a way better performance car than anybody thought, and I knew it was going to be more comfortable, and I was thinking, why would I have two sports cars? Because I was thinking maybe trade this in for a Jeep, something completely different, and now that this is not the daily anymore, yeah, like, I like the weirdness of this because it's fun on a weekend now. Maddie. Hey, I'll see you later, buddy.
Gosh! Hi.
Alright, so we're going to do a quick gas stop. Let's see how she thinks so far. Alright, first impressions, what do you think? Floored a little bit.
Just a little bit. There's
Yeah.
somebody in front of me and they're in my way.
I know. Sounds really good.
Top 5 things I love about this car. Obviously, I love to get up and go. I love to go fast. It's the closest thing to a race car besides one. I don't even know. I love everything about this car. Except for the fact that Brian hasn't let me do launch control yet. I'll have to change that since he's not in the car. I guess since I couldn't pick 5 things that I
It's crazy at this angle. I've never really seen the GT-R like this, but the rear end is so much wider looking than the front. It actually seems a lot taller. It kind of does have that supercar proportion, how it's just so meaty in the rear end. I think she's in race mode suspension because you can feel, or you can see the whole car kind of moving with the different undulations in the ground.
One more thing for my dislike. There is no in between with this air conditioning and heat. It's either freeze your butt off or you're hot. There is no in between. Look at me go. I didn't even speed. I'm going to get on it.
That was awesome. I wonder what would win, because I had to give a more guess than I was thinking just to keep up with that. That thing moves so quickly. You probably saw that cloud of smoke too. Straight pipe life. That's why the rear end gets so dirty.
Those blow-off valves, y'all. Love those. Getting back to my house, I am the most awkward person on camera because I don't know what to say or how to act. So, hopefully it wasn't too terrible for you guys. I don't know, people park with backup cameras. Just can't do it.
How was it? Still recording?
Yeah.
15 minutes of you driving alone. How'd it go? You took off that one spot. I had to give it some gas to stay up with you.
It was bumpy too.
Yeah, I don't think the camera can see me. I'm here too, guys. What's up?
What's
yeah?
the
Were you in race mode suspension?
Yes, I had both these up, down.
Oh, comfort mode? Okay. Yeah, the car, every bump, like, it goes over every bump. This thing looks so good. Like, the rear end is big. It's got a big, big booty in the GT-R. And the lines you see are so good. Like, looks so good. Like we were talking about earlier, I can't sell this for anything that's a downgrade. Like, the M2 competition would have been sweet because I can get a manual, twin turbo, rear wheel drive, same layout, and more refined, but it's not like this.
Yeah.
A Jeep would be cool, but then I'm missing out on my mechanical supercar. I love the GT-R. So, what did you talk about?
Well,
Anything?
I tried to do the 5 things I like about it.
Okay.
I only got 2. Because
So you
it's
don't
just,
like it?
I like everything about it. So then I did my dislikes.
Crap. What do you hate about it?
I just said the clunkiness of transmission. Obviously,
Yeah.
it scares me every time.
If you're using it like daily driving, it gets annoying after a while, which it does.
Yeah.
But
Whatever the vibrating is going on in the back.
I think I need new brakes.
Uh-oh.
I think my rotors are about the end of the life.
Yeah.
They're a little warped, I think, all around. So I think as it's rotating in the pad, I think a part of it's hitting the pad, making it squeak. So when you hit the brakes, you don't hear it anymore.
Yeah.
And my fronts are definitely warped because we slam on the brakes, the steering wheel shakes a little bit.
Yeah.
So if anybody can hook me up with brakes, know any good companies or brands to work with, let me know, because I'm not spending $7,000. Yeah, see that? I would just sell this and just get a newer GT-R for like 20 grand more and get everything new, you know? So I think that's going to wrap up the video. You think we got everything we needed to do? I gave you the GT-R, and it is here in one piece. Still got to make it my house. It's only 3 miles away, but good job. You drove it like a boss. You floored it. You had fun with it. I want you to have fun with it. Don't just, baby it too much.
I tried not to, but there was people in front of me.
That truck.
So slow.
I know. But now you. Sounds good. All right, well, I guess that is it, guys.
Thanks for watching the Hot Mess Express.
Do the... Say, hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
I don't want to.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. Give it a huge thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, stay tuned for plenty more content to come, and give it a thumbs up for Nicole vlogging on her own for the first time, and driving this for the first time on her own. I've never, aside from Mike, no one's ever driven my car without me. So, thumbs up.
And it's very hard to talk to a camera.
Yeah.
It's very awkward.
It is. And I do this for a living now.
And I don't know how, because you're a very awkward person.
Don't tell my viewers.
Sorry.
Yeah, I'm weird.
We both are, but yeah.
That's true. Alright,
But-
sign off.
Link for merch.
It's in in the description below.
Yeah.
We have a whole bunch of stuff. That is it, guys. Thumbs up, subscribe. See you next video.